What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I am going to show you how you can change the lock screen password on Windows 10. So the first thing, click on the Windows icon. After that, click on your account and choose change account settings. Now once you get to the settings, click sign in options and you're gonna have all the options. For example, like Windows Hello Fingerprint or like Windows Hello Pin. But for the password that we're gonna click here, click password or the passcode. So click password and click change. Now type your current password. Once you type the current password, click next. And as you guys can see here, you can type your new password and then confirm it. After that, you could type a password hint and click next. Once you finish all the steps, you're gonna be able to change your password successfully without any issues. If you have any more questions, you can comment below this video or contact us on our official website www.theinternetmoola.com. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye.